There it is.
Okay. Tell us why we're all here, Michael. He hates this. I'll just go around the room. Hello. There's another brother.
Hey, here we are.
Yeah, I'm just going around the room, making everybody embarrassed.
No.
Oh, very nice.
There you go.
There's one ham in the family. Got you, and got you. Oh, we gotta get Elsie. Elsie's beautiful.
Elsie. What about the baby?
I think we got some of the baby. Woohoo! Yeah. Be careful, be careful.
Oh my goodness, what a little
Okay.
Oh yeah. They bought some pastries and stuff.
Yeah, we got cupcakes too.
Oh yeah.
Where's your mom?
I don't know.
Mommy.
She's not going to be in this segment.